Hello! Happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So today we will start with a new chapter in general knowledge, that is chapter number 23. I am a good visitor. Now, first tell me, are you a good visitor? Many a times people come at home, okay? हमसे मिलने आते हैं, मम्मी पापा से मिलने आते हैं. Why? To give wishes. It could be birthday wishes, anniversary wishes, or sometimes just to see how are you well or not. है ना? बहुत सारे गेस्ट हमारे घर आते हैं. No, some guests we like and some we don't like. Why? Because of the way they behave. वो किस तरीके से हमारे साथ बिहेव करते हैं, क्या वो रूडली बिहेव करते हैं या वो पोलाइटली बिहेव करते हैं, उससे वो हमारे फेवरेट बन जाते हैं. Isn't it? So in the same way, when we go to someone else's house, how should we behave? That we will learn in this chapter so that we also become a good visitor. Okay children? So हम learn करेंगे इस chapter में कि हम किसी के घर जाएं तो हमें कैसे behave करना चाहिए, हमारे manners, etiquettes हम सब याद रखना चाहिए, and on that basis only we should behave. So quickly let us begin.
I am a good visitor. Do not ring the doorbell many times. Just ring the doorbell once and wait patiently at the door.
Okay, so the first one is do not ring the doorbell many times and just ring it once and patiently wait on the door. Now what happens? We don't know if someone is sleeping or if someone is busy doing something, है ना? हम किसी के घर जाते हैं तो हो सकता है वो busy हो कुछ काम में, but we should just ring the doorbell once and wait for them to open. हमें ऐसे बार बार doorbell नहीं bell ring करनी चाहिए. Why? Because it looks very rude. We are not in a hurry. हम जल्दी में नहीं हैं. तो जो घर में होगा जिसके हम घर गए हैं, they can also get scared why she is ringing the doorbell repeatedly. So we should wait patiently and ring the doorbell once. And अगर एक बार की बहुत देर बाद भी नहीं खोलें, so हो सकता है that the people might have not heard. So हम फिर से एक बार बेल बजा दें. But बार बार हम बेल नहीं बजाएं. So this is the first one.
You should be pleasant while greeting someone. Greet them by saying, "Hello, auntie" or "Uncle, how are you?"
Now, whenever you go to someone or if someone comes to your house, you should always say hello to them. है ना? मैं भी जब आपके लिए वीडियो बनाती हूँ, what is the first thing I do? I greet you. I say hello to you. Someone says good morning, happy morning, and someone says namaste. Okay? So all these are what? These are greetings. So whenever we meet someone, we should say hello to them. Hello, hi, namaste, whatever you want to. And you should also ask, how are you? How have you been? Okay? So this looks polite and these are etiquettes and manners. So you should always ask uncle, auntie that, hello uncle, how are you? How have you been? You should ask for the health, कि उनकी तबीयत कैसी है. Okay children, this looks very nice.
You should not touch anything unless you are allowed, like taking out toys on your own.
Now children, imagine if some guest comes to your home, okay, and they have small children with them and they immediately start touching and playing with your toys and throwing here and there. Okay? उससे क्या होगा? आपके घर कोई गेस्ट आया और आपके टॉयज कोई आपसे बिना पूछे टच कर रहा है, थ्रो कर रहा है इधर उधर. So what will happen? You will like it or not? No, na? You not like it, isn't it? हमारी चीज़ कोई हाथ लगाए, हमसे बिना पूछे, इधर उधर फेंके carelessly, or if someone breaks it also, we will not like it. So in the same way, when we go to someone else's house, we should be a good visitor. We should ask them first that, can I touch this toy? Can I play with this toy? Not only toys, children. When we go to someone's house, there are so many things. See, there is an aquarium, there is a TV. Now in aquarium also, it is delicate. अगर हम उससे बार बार खेलते खेलते धीरे से टच करते करते गिर गया तो that could be a major loss. In the same way, show pieces रखे होते हैं हॉल में, है ना? So they are quite expensive. So whatever it is, we should ask the guest, we should ask the people to whose house we are visiting that, sir, uncle, auntie, can I touch it? What is it? You should ask them properly first. Okay? जो हमारा नहीं है उस पे हमें ऐसे हक नहीं जताना चाहिए. We should take permission from that person first.
Wait for the refreshments to be served. Do not ask directly for refreshments and enter their kitchen and eat whatever is found without their permission.
Now see children, many people do like this, है ना? आपने भी कभी कभी ऐसा किया होगा कि आप अपने रिलेटिव्स के घर गए एंड आपको बहुत भूख लग रही है एंड आप डायरेक्टली किचन में चले गए एंड यू स्टार्ट ईटिंग व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू. So this is not good, beta. This is not the right behavior. See, first when you go out of your house, you should make sure you eat something and go. अगर आपको पता है कि आपको भूख लगेगी ही, so it's better that you eat something and go, isn't it? Because you're not sure how much time it will take to come back. हमें वापस घर आने में कितना टाइम लगेगा अगर हमें नहीं पता है, so it's better that we should drink water and we should eat. But still I know that we feel hungry sometimes, isn't it? So we should not directly go to the kitchen and start eating whatever we want to. We should wait patiently. Whenever someone comes to our house, we also offer refreshments to them. हम उन्हें चाय, coffee, milk, or something like cold drinks we offer to them and something to eat. So they will also offer you, isn't it? So we should wait for it patiently, or if you're very hungry, you should just tell your mother or father quietly that I'm feeling hungry. Okay, हमें थोड़ा wait करना चाहिए because it is not our house, it is someone else's house. Okay children, so this is also included in good manners and it is included as a good visitor.
You should volunteer to help them in their work, like serving snacks.
Okay, now as you see that uncle or auntie is serving snacks to you, or whenever you go for lunch or dinner, someone is serving food for you, what you should do? You should help them. Okay, हम किसी के घर जाते हैं for dinner or lunch, हमें आंटी की help करनी चाहिए. Why? Because they have made such nice and delicious things for you. उनने इतनी मेहनत से आपके लिए बनाया है. And अगर नहीं भी बनाया हो, उनने आपके लिए ट्रे में अरेंज किया है properly, isn't it? So it looks good that we should help others. We should help uncle, auntie, sister, whoever is in the house by serving them. This is included in etiquettes and good manners. So all this makes us a good visitor. Okay children, and I'm sure you will also behave like this whenever you go at someone's house? Okay. Now know the facts.
Know the fact, when we fix up an appointment with someone, we must never be late.
So, whenever we have an appointment with someone, we should never be late. Appointment में क्या होता है? Time fixed होता है, purpose होती है कि हम मिल रहे हैं, हमें कुछ discuss करना है important. So, we should never be late, children. Why? Because that person must be waiting for us. Okay, उसने अपने सारे काम छोड़ के इस टाइम पे वेट कर रहा होगा कि अब आएगा, अब आएगी. But if we don't come on time, what happens? We are making other people wait, and that is not a good habit. So we should always be on time.
Real life, be a well-mannered and pleasant child so that hosts welcome you whenever you visit them.
We should be well-mannered and pleasant child. Whenever someone comes, we should greet them by namaste, hello, how are you? All this we should use so that the person who has come to our house should feel that he or she is such a good child. है ना? कि देखो कितने अच्छे manners हैं, बहुत अच्छा baby. Okay, so we should be a good host and we should welcome others when someone visits our house. कोई हमारे घर आता है तो हमें with a good smile we should welcome them. Okay children, so this is it for now. I hope it is clear to all of you and I hope all this you will also practice whenever someone comes at your home or if you go to someone's house. Okay, so be a good visitor. So we will meet in the next class. Till that, God bless you all. Goodbye.